Okay, now time to do some more gaming. Oh, now what do we have in store? Oh my gosh! Welcome back, Felix, for my Baldi's Basics full game public demo. Wanna have some fun at my schoolhouse?
Warning, in case you haven't figured it out yet, this game is intended to be a horror game. As such, it has loud noises, flashing images, and is overall pretty spooky. Well, at least it's supposed to be. If you downloaded this thinking it would be great entertainment for your kid or something, don't let them play it. Unless, of course, they enjoy horror games. You have been warned.
Hello everyone, my name is Felix the Cat, and today I'm going to be playing Baldi's Basics full game public demo. Oh boy, now in case you haven't noticed, hold on a minute. Now, last month, Miss Man 12, the creator of Baldi's Basics, have put in the full game public demo for us to play. And in case you haven't known, that I have played the original Baldi's Basics and the camping demo, and this will be my third time playing in a demo, which will be fun. So yeah, enough chit chat. Let's get to it. Time to get my controller ready and start. Oh boy, won't this be fun? It's slow. Whoa.
Let's play.
Wait a minute. We just got out of it. What? What is this? What? Elevate? They included the elevator? What? Okay. I'm loving this already. All right. Let's get the first notebook, which is in this room. Oh, what? Huh? What? No, you can think, Pat? No math questions? Okay. This is cool. Whoa. Sorry. I slipped. I just need to get my precision so I can, focus on the controller movements and stuff. Baldi's still the same. Looks like we're in a different schoolhouse. Okay. What the heck? Baldi! What's wrong with your voice? Oh no, playtime.
I wanna play with
No! I have to jump. 2, yes. 3, 4, 5. Let's get out of here. Whoa, what is this? Is this a playground / cafeteria? Oh boy. There's that merry-go-round. Can I go? No, I cannot go on. Oh jeez! Principal! I did not see you there. You scared me. Okay. Let's get the second notebook. Okay. Oh, I can hear Baldi. This is not good.
No running in the hall.
Ah! He caught me. Let's get that third notebook before he gets me. You cannot take me. Oh no. No!
15 seconds. Detention
What?
for you. Your parents will hear
No,
about this
Baldi.
one.
Looks like we're in a different detention room. I cannot escape him. He's too fast. Get me out! Okay, thank
No
you.
running in the hall.
Oh, he caught me the second time. Oh, arts and craftish. You look kind of black and whitish. I have 2-1. Too scared Baldi. Yeah. Okay. Oh, what is that thing?
20 seconds.
Oh, really?
Detention for you.
Really?
Your parents will hear about this one.
I have 2-1 away from Baldi. What am I supposed to do? Just not one and let him get me? Where is he? I don't see him. Oh well. At least I'm still far away from him, so that's good. Oh no, not enough, not close enough. Oh jeez. Okay. At least I just got 4 notebooks. 4 more. Wait, 4 notebooks? Whoa, that sounded different.
Welcome to the Baldi Basics full game public demo.
Yes,
The
Baldi,
game is still
we
in
get it.
development, so everything.
Alright, let's get to it then. Let's stay according to plan. Alright, let's get that first notebook. I'm surprised that there's no you can think pad. Which, I mean, I'm not much of a math person, but at least I can go through this quickly. And I still can't understand why Baldi sounds like that when he says, "Ready or not, here I come." Like, what kind of voice is that? Whoa, there's a faculty room inside a school classroom? First prize. What are you doing inside the faculty? You're not supposed to be here. Oh god. Baldi! What's wrong? Ah! I can't escape his power. Eh. Okay, I'm good. Alright, hey principal. Nice to meet you. Alright, okay. Oh, there's that little, I don't know, this little doorknob, or whatever that thing is. Oh, there's a button. What does that do? Oh, lets him close up. Bully! No. Alright. I'll give you this yellow door lock. Or swinging door lock.
Give me something great.
Alright.
I'll take that.
There you go.
It's mine now.
I was supposed to get that door lock, but the bully's there. I have to. Hey, hello, arts and crafters. You look different. Color's different. Oh, it disappeared. That's nice. Now I heard in the game, or before the demo released, that there's a map included in the demo, which is neat. It's like this. See that little green thing right there? That dedicates that that's you where you're going, which is nice. You'd get away from Baldi though. No stalling. Yes, arts and crafters. I know. You still no, he disappeared. Let's go to the escalator. Or conveyor belt. Yes, that's what they're called. Alright, 4 notebooks.
I'm gonna take your cane.
Okay. Nope. Not giving you something today, Bal. Okay. Let's get away from Baldi. Nope, principal's coming. Better stop running.
Looks like it's sweeping.
Oh no! Sweeper! Playtime! No! What? Bill? Whoa! Baldi's fog machine malfunctioned again? Hack! What? There's a fog machine inside the school! Now I cannot see where Baldi is now! That's a bummer there! Well, this is terrible. I don't know when will the fog last, but it's not, hopefully it's not temporarily. Oh no. Don't tell me Baldi's next. Oh god! Okay! Let's run!
Welcome
dare
to
you.
the Baldi Basics full
Oh.
game public
You know
demo. The game is still
One
in
more.
development.
One more.
So everything's
One more.
hot. Let's play.
Let's grab that first notebook. Come on. It's hard with the controller. Stop it. Stop ruining your voice. I should call you voice changer. because you're just changing your voice or just changing the pitch of your voice. That's what you're doing. Use a grappling hook. More faster. And then close the door hatch. Okay. Alright, no bully. Which is good. Sorry if I'm too close or being down at the camera. I'm just looking at the screen and the cameraman's just looking at the screen too, and I'm not focusing my plush form, but it's too focusing, okay? Hello, Principal. And playtime. Nice to see you both. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Let's jump up.
2, 3,
Yep.
4,
Yep.
5.
Yes, we love to play. We love to play, cause your name's Playtime. What do you think you would change your name to if you don't want to play? Bore time? Yes, I've roasted Playtime's name. Alright. Let's continue. Oh no, Baldi. 5th notebook down. 3 more to go. I'm surprised that there's 8 notebooks now instead of just 7. Oh no, Baldi.
No running in the
No.
halls.
Oh god. This sucks. Oh no, I'm going this way. That means the door's closed. And Baldi's there. Well, I think this may be a good time when the principal catches me. Take me.
15
There you go.
seconds.
I'm
Detention
being
for
saved
you.
by Baldi.
When will you
Thank you,
learn?
Principal. I mean, it may be a bad thing, but it's a good thing at the same time too. Okay. Go. Oh no! Oh jeez. Okay, this is a bad idea after all.
Looks like it's sweeping time.
I think we're straight. I am never doing this again. Oh, thank you for watching me hopelessly die from Baldi. Oh, this has been Felix the Cat. Not coming back until I get rid of Baldi. Oh. R.I.P. Felix. From being hopelessly murdered by Baldi's ruler and Baldi himself. Just kidding! Ah!